You found today's best values that brings a revolution on your business with no cost. Sound is great, isn't it? Listen up more, then you will find the real true key for success. You will love it. It is about a free but powerful solution advancing your business to next level with no cost.
We are here to deliver the real keys for your business success.
Hi, I'm Kimberly Lansing, and let's get you buzzed in. In the latest report by the Retail Gift Card Association, Americans love giving and receiving gift cards. They're always in demand with significant incremental sales opportunities. The report goes on to show that 77% of consumers have given a gift card in the past year, and a whopping 90% have received at least one in the past year. Furthermore, 65% of consumers prefer the convenience of gift cards. Other gift card benefits show that 45% of shoppers will spend more than the value of the gift card, and retailers who switch from paper gift certificates to plastic gift cards typically see a 50 to 100% increase in sales. The popularity of giving out gift cards has made it the most requested item during the holidays. This is all good news since Central Payment offers a free gift card program to their merchants. CPay customers enjoy increased daily sales, brand recognition on the cards, and promotes customer retention and loyalty. Speaking of gift cards, CPay recently made headlines as well by releasing their own gift card program exclusive for Central Payment merchants. This free service allows merchants to design their own gift cards online or select from a plethora of pre-designed cards. When the merchants receive their new shiny gift cards, they can load any dollar amount or package deal right through their CPay terminal. With the trend not seeing any slowdown, CPay gift cards are perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any day. The new gift card program is a great merchant tool to keep loyal customers happy and to get new ones to come
You
back.
will smile on. A free Pay gift card service with no limits and with no services fee. Free gift card service is. Do not miss your best values with Pay. Make your business most profitable with incredible advantages that you have been looking for. Let us deliver a revolution on your business.
Apply now. Reliable business consultant with over 18 years experience. James Lee helps create the best form of your merchant account that fit your business needs.